Hi guys, here today we have the 2-litre SE Premium Subaru Outback, finished in dark blue pearl with 18-inch alloy wheels. This car comes with black full leather interior, automatic gearbox, electric tailgate, tilt and slide sunroof and heated seats. Here at the back I'd like to demonstrate to you our electric tailgate, which will fold up and close all by button. Here in the back we have a very generous boot space and a very low luggage lip with plastic moulding on the bumper for protection. Here on the inside we have push start button, memory seats, automatic gearbox, full leather interior with tilt and slide sunroof. We have a large touchscreen here with satellite navigation, reversing camera and media interface. We also have passenger and driver heated seats.